Hi, Jeff Haradine, Barletta Pontoons, and we're here this evening on a C24U. And this is a boat that takes all the Barletta DNA and packs it into a really awesome price point and a length that can fit your whole family or a whole group of friends. So we'll start here in the bow, and you'll notice our bow benches are awesome, nice and long with room for a lot of people. I can stretch out my legs very easily with the bow armrest here, and I've still got room for somebody in front of me. Or if we're just counting friends, me and the chaise lounge here, easily 1, 2, 3 more people, if not 4 more people, for a total of 5 just along this one bench on the side. And we could do the same thing on the bench that mirrors me on the opposite or the port side of the boat. As you know, we love the symmetry that we put on our Barlettas. A couple of great armrests, wonderful soft upholstery, and new this year, we've got some great curvature to the furniture to really give the boat a lot of nice eye appeal. As we step toward the middle of the boat, of course, a wonderful helm with a great mid-back reclining captain's chair. Puts the captain right in the middle of all the action. Plenty of good access to the people in the bow, but also a great conversation pit in the back. And so here's where this boat is a little bit more unique. We've got a more traditional rear-facing chaise lounge with a bench seat good for easily 1 if not 2 people, and then our full ultra lounge in the back. And so I've got a great conversation pit right here with the captain. 1, 2, 3 in the corner, 4 people very easily, very comfortable. You might even be able to squeeze 5 plus the captain, 6 in this conversation pit here. You can see I've got a comfortable rear-facing seat. I've got a comfortable forward-facing seat. And then if you know anything about Barletta and our awesome ultra lounges, I can simply remove one cushion, have a rear-facing ultra lounge, great access to the back of the boat, and then come all the way down flat. I have not lost my great seat here. I've gained a full day bed. And if I pop up the ultra lounge seats, it brings everything in the ultra lounge back together so that we've got a good group seating, again connected to the captain or in the lounge position facing forward as you're traveling underway. It's a really great use of space. We love our ultra lounge. You can also choose to use the ultra lounge in just a headrest position if you're in for a little bit longer of a nap. I can put my forward-facing ultra lounge back down and pull up 1 or 2 rear-facing seats. And this is a great seat if you want to read a book sitting out the back, or you want to be upright talking to your friends on the beach or talking to some friends at the sandbar. And what is nice about that seat, it can be used in conjunction with the forward-facing bench. So you can have easily 3, maybe 4 people out the back, 3, maybe 4 people forward-facing. So I hope you noticed on our C24U that there's just a ton of seating on the boat. A lot of places to put people down, family, friends. You can really load this boat out and you still get all the greatness that is our ultra lounge. So there's room everywhere on the boat for everybody you want to bring along. So check it out. It's a fantastic floor plan for us in our C-Class. Check out the dealerships near you. Check us out online. We'd love to show you more. Can't wait to see you out on the water.